Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a new Vegas Pro 16 tutorial using ProType Titler. This will only work in Vegas Pro. ProType Titler is a real awesome feature that lets you create all kinds of special effects with text. So I'll show you how it's done. So let's insert a video track. Right click, select Insert Generate Media, select ProType Titler, OK. I already copied some text in here I want. Copy this. Paste it. So highlight this and make it a little bigger. Go 2.50. Click here. And let's position this in the preview window. Scoot right there. Okay, so that's toggle automation. Now, right now the whole block is selected. What we want to do is we want to select each line. So right here it says navigate to child, click that. So now each line is highlighted. So let's go to effects, toggle automation for opacity, and drag this all the way down to 0. Go to your cursor, drag it out right about here, bring it all the way up, move it a little bit, let's bring it down to about 25. It's good. Now, if you play this, nothing happens. What you have to do is go here, toggle Cascade. Now when you play it back, watch this. But it's going way too fast. So beside Cascade, there's Cascade Properties. Click on that. Slow this down to about 90. And the delay curve, notice it's got a curve in there. It's starting off fast, slows down, and ends fast. What we want to do is we want to have this the same speed all the way. So click on this, right click, select linear. So now it's a straight line. So it'll be the same speed all the time now. So now play it back, something like this. Yeah, see what looks in the preview window. Because you notice it stops at the end and there's nothing to see at the very end. So a way to make this visible, just take a screen capture of this last. Right there. Take a screen capture of this. Make sure it's at the best full so you get the proper resolution. So click on Save Snapshot to File. Drag the image, timeline, make it a little smaller. I'll do a fade out. Now put it back, something like this. So it's a cool effect. There's lots of different effects you can do with ProType Titler. You can put this over top of videos. And I actually created a real cool video. I did 2 videos over the past 2 years on a typing effect using ProType Titler. And it doesn't, you don't have, if you do a search on YouTube for Vegas Pro typing tutorials, they all involve masking and they're very time consuming. But if you use ProType Titler, you can do it extremely fast and it looks very realistic. I'll put a link in the description where you can check out the video I made for that, and you can check it out. So in the future, I'll be doing more tutorials on ProType Titler. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe. New videos every Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. So once again, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.